Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Guests in Islam. Do not whisper in a gathering. The Prophet always taught people to honor each other and not to think that they are better than others. One day, he was sitting in a gathering with many people. Some people were very poor, some people were very rich, and some people were somewhere in the middle. The rich people started to whisper in the Prophet's ear to make the others think that they were closer and had a special connection to him. When they kept doing this, others became upset. The Prophet waited patiently for the right moment to give them advice. When that moment came, he told everyone, when you sit next to each other in a gathering, don't whisper in each other's ears. That is something that Shaitan likes. Prophet Muhammad has said,
do not whisper to someone if there are others around.
إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا وليس بضارهم شيئا إلا بإذن الله.
Surely, whispering while you are in a gathering is from Shaitan,